Switch?
Switch for what?
I don't know. Ding, 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 ding. Boom!
That's for that. What's this? That broke?
It's a clock.
Oh, full of cigarettes.
Yucky. Oh. Now it's gonna blow up.
What is?
It's just a clock. Don't be pushing buttons on it. It'll change the time.
What time will it be? I can go.
Hey.
Jamie. Yippee.
What are you doing? You didn't get hurt back here.
Looking for my chair stuck.
Chair stuck.
My chair. What is this for?
Don't. That makes the door work.
What?
It makes the door work and it'll pop open if you do that.
That makes the door work?
It'll hurt your hand, yeah.
To make it open?
Mm-hmm.
That makes it work?
Yep.
Is that a handle?
Yeah, but it doesn't work. Leave it alone.
Do it go like back there? Right there?
No, it goes to that door you're holding.
It won't work?
No.
I got it working. Nope. What are these? Oh. What are these?
The skates. You put heavy stuff on top of them so you can move it around.
I'm gonna pretend these are skating.
You can't.
They're too big.
Yeah, they're heavy.
I can carry them.
Don't. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I can carry them.
I know you can, but you don't have to. Just leave them there. Hear me?